Hey guys, it's Emily here with Benchmark, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do an as-built. So an as-built is used to capture what has actually been installed after construction. I'm going to show you guys a little example here just with this little landscaping area. We're going to pretend it's a full-size project. All you need to do this is your receiver, your data collector, and your pole. All right, so on the screen here, I just have this little side menu pulled out. It's got some of the codes I've already put in here, but first we will go up to, say, this sprinkler here. Now this is a point we'd want to keep, and you can pre-code it, so once you've put in a code for the sprinkler, you can keep using it over and over again. So just let it fix here, and you'll see that on the screen there's all the little check marks, so you know you're good. Store position. Now this is where we can name the point, so we're just going to name this one sprinkler. So that's the name of our sprinklers, and we're set. So then we can continue to move here to the next sprinkler head. All right, we're at the next one here. And the really nice thing about this sensor is the tilt sensor is already set up, so you don't even have to worry about leveling it at all. It'll just do that for you. So we're at the next sprinkler head here. We'll just point that one. Store position. It's already got that code there for us, so perfect. Next point is saved. And you can do that with any of the little landmarks here. So, you know, if we wanted to go over to this box, say, you know, it's a telephone box, we can also store that one. We'll say T box for telephone box. Perfect. And there we go. If you want to learn how to use a SLAM scanner, go check out this video.